In this video, I'll be sharing 5 killer bassline ideas that you can use in your own EBM and industrial track. This one is probably the most used EBM bassline pattern ever. Play the root note on each beat, creating a steady rhythm, and then you transpose the second note after the kick 1 octave higher to create your melody. To me, this pattern sounds great at higher BPM, something like 150 and up. Here's an example. Transposing the whole track up in semitones can add a sense of urgency to your bass line. This technique is great for choruses or transitions. Try playing the root note of the song and then jumping up in semitones, then returning to the root note. In this case, it's 5 semitones. Creating a call and response pattern between different bass sounds can add variation to your bass line. So this is the call. Notice the empty spots that I left for the answer. And this is the answer. Both together sounds like this. I like to call this one the Rammstein pattern because it sounds pretty much like 90% of Rammstein's riffs. First, you start by writing a simple bass line like this. I suggest a 1/8 pattern. Then you take some of the notes and you transpose them 1 octave higher to create your melody. Using a completely different bass sound to complement your main bass can sound very cool. So this is my main bass line. Then I added another sound on top to complement the main riff. Both together sounds like this. If you like industrial, EBM, and dark music in general, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Ciao.